Academic, Maths, Nursery 4 Plus, page 28. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover the numerals 11 to 15 that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Count the objects and write their numbers. There are 12 spoons. Hence, write the number 12 in the box. There are 10 wristwatches. Hence, write the number 10 in the box. Great job indeed. Count the bees around the hive and color them. You have to do two things here. First of all, count all bees. Yes, there are 13 bees around the hive. Now, you have to color all bees carefully. Trace and write these numbers. Ask your teacher or parents to help you in completing this task. Well done, you have been outstanding with these activities. Dear teachers, help the children with all activities. Help them pronounce and write the numbers properly. Encourage the promising children and clap for them. Use other interactive techniques to teach numbers to the children. Have a nice day.